Okay, so my name is Farah Nabila and my student number is 117 from class H. Okay, number one is Lamia El Mejta, Algeria, 2022. The title needs analysis and ESP course design, a case study of the Institute of Nutrition, Food and Agro-Food Technologies. Research type qualitative and response or participants 12 doctoral students, 10 subject teachers at ENATA. Techniques of collecting data to questionnaires were used. Number one, doctoral students questionnaire, and number two, teachers questionnaire. How about the techniques of analyzing data, descriptive, qualitative analysis, summarizing pattern, attitudes, and frequencies. Aims or problem statement or research question. The study aims to answer number one, what are doctoral students' attitude toward the previous ASP course? The number two, what are the problems encountered when dealing with English? And the last, how can the ESP course be improved to satisfy Master 1 students' need at ENATAA from the perspective of doctoral students and subject teachers? Result, students' attitude generally positive toward the ESP course, main language problem, and proficiency level, and skills important ranking, course time, suggestion for improvement, and other. And the questionnaire or interviews questions. So this article use the questionnaire from doctoral students questionnaire. Do you practice English outside the university? How? How did you attend the previous ESP course? How satisfied are you with the ESP course in meeting your need? Which skill, reading, writing, and listening, speaking, were most developed? And how do you rate your proficiency in each skills? What problem do you encounter in reading or writing a research paper in English? And others. So we're gonna move. The next number two is article from Medanit Belachu, Ethiopia 2020. The title analysis of the needs analysis of ESP and textile engineering profession in Ethiopia, explorers and use exploratory research, qualitative and quantitative mixed method design, total participants 156 workers from 6 textile companies, and use of questionnaire distribute to 200 individuals and 156 valid response returned, include open-ended and closed-ended items in English, and use quantitative data analyzed using percentage, descriptions, and tabulations. The next statement of the problem and the result from questionnaires. English is widely used in Ethiopian textile companies, especially for emails, report, contract, and communications. with supplier or customer, and another. How about the questionnaires? Questionnaire sample item Appendix A. Participants indicate how often they use English for specific activities. Additional open-ended item like what specific activities are performed in your workplace using English, which English language skill are most important for better communications, and interview questions. Appendix B, for what specific purpose do you use English in your company? Which skill are necessary in textile work? What kind of English training do you think is relevant for textile file? What language skill gap have you observed among university graduates? And what mechanism can address this gap in workplace English use? The number three article from Alfian Al Yamin 2021 needs analysis. Need the title needs analysis on English language used by hotel staff in Bandung, and the research method use quantitative research design, and the participants were to 27 hotel staff from various hotels in Bandung, and the data was collected using a questionnaire, and the needs were analyzed using a quantitative research design. And the aims of the article is the research aim to discover the needs of English language skill in specific fields, and the result the study found that the important skill needed by the hotel staff in a speaking skill. And the questionnaire consists of several questions about the importance of the English language skill in the hotel industry and the problem that occur when using English. Also cover which language functions were most needed in their work, such as giving information on hotel facilities and service, and answering questions and handling complaints. The number four is UU3 Guntoro 2021. The title ESP course designed for Indonesian hotel industry need analysis. The research method is use qualitative research, and three from the staff members, one hotel manager. All participants were from Kapal Garden Hotel Malang, Indonesia. And the structure interview with three staff members and the manager participants observations. The thematic analysis was used to interpret data and identify employees like one and necessary in English skill. How about the aim of the research? What are the English language needs of hotel front desk staff? What kind of ESP course design is expected for hotel employees? And the result is primary skills needed, speaking and listening are the most important for front desk staff. And the questionnaire or interview with article use structural interview question divided into two purposes. The number one to define employees like wants and necessities, and B to define the expected ESP course. The number five, Fajar from Fajar Yantika, Robi Yuli Endra, Trisa Afruli, Ayu Kartika Puspa. And the title needs analysis of English for specific purpose at food and beverage Emersia Hotel Bandar Lampung. And the research use exploratory qualitative research, and the respondent or participants, 5 senior staff of the Food and Beverage Service Department and Mercia and Hotel and Resort Bandar Lampung, 3 males and 2 females, age 22 until 35 years old, educational background, diploma in hospitality or high school graduates, work experience, minimum 2 years in hotel restaurant service. And semi-structure interview and qualitative data analysis with the step 1 describing interview recording, 2 grouping answer based on research question and others, and the study aim to answer what are the English language needs of food and beverage staff at Emersia Hotel, which English skills are most important for their work, and what training or learning focus should be provided to improve their English communication. And the result, speaking and listening are the most essential skills. How about the interview question, including do you use English in your daily work? In what situations do you use English? Which English skills do you need the most? What difficulties do you face when speaking English? What difficulties do you face when listening to foreign guests? And another like that. The next one from LD Dian Hidayat, EIN Bonn Indonesia 2024. The title ESP Needs Analysis for Marketing Students in an Indonesian Vocational School, Insight from Strategy Analysis. And the research method use descriptive qualitative research, and the participants 50 marketing students from SMK 1 Bonn, Indonesia, grade 11 students, academic year 2023-2024, all majoring, and the questionnaire distributed via Google Form during class hour. Descriptive statistic for quantitative data. The study addresses 3 main questions, and the result, students prefer interactive, career-oriented learning focused on marketing-related topics, especially product management and marketing strategy. They value group work, presentation, and real-world tasks, showing strong motivation to improve English fluency for career advancement and global communication. And how about the interview or questionnaire? The number 1, what English learning material do you prefer to study? What method of learning do you prefer? What classroom activities do you enjoy for reading? What listening activities do you prefer? What speaking activities do you prefer? What writing activities do you prefer? What are your main motivations for learning English? Read the importance of each English sub-skills from 1 to 5. The next one is from Yuriatson Jubari, Rosmiati, and Nurlia 2022. The title needs analysis in English for specific purpose ESP for nursing students. And this article use quantitative, and the participants include 36 nursing students from Polytechnic Sandikarsa in Makassar. The data was collected using a questionnaire. The instruments was developed from work by Hutchinson and Waters and simplified by Dudley Evans and S.T. John. The data analysis focused on four main areas, and the study was motivated by the fact that the English learning material provided was often not in accordance with the field of science taught to nursing students. And you can read. And the result, students generally rate their English proficiency at a moderate level across listening, speaking, writing, grammar, and vocabulary. And the result, the questionnaire consists of section that addresses the level of student skill, the importance of the four main English skills, the importance of their sub skills for both daily and professional communication, and the importance of specific ESP learning topic. The number 8 from Budi Eko Pranoto and Suprayugi 2020. The title need analysis of ESP for psych physical education students in Indonesia, and and use mixed method approach with data present as qualitative data gathered from interviews and questionnaires, and the participants were 50 students and 10 lecturers from the physical education study programs at two universities, and data was collected using an interview and questionnaires administered to both students and lecturer, and the data is described as qualitative data taken from the interview and questionnaire. And the main aims of the research was to construct the ideal English material for physical education students of universities in Lampung, Indonesia. And the result is findings show that physical education students have a need for ESP material with a varied range of topic, and the questionnaire and interview covered by topics needed for an ESP course, and the preferred teaching methods. Specific questions are not provided in the abstract. The number 9 from Muhammad Ali Akbari and Mahnes Bohayeri, English Department, Ilham University, Iran, 2014. And the title, Needs Analysis Approach to ESP Design in Iranian Context. And this research used quantitative descriptive research, and participants have about two groups, 49 architecture students and from Ilham University, and the questionnaire modified from my Dayas Na and Tahririan. Two versions, one for students, one for graduates. And qualitative analysis using SPSS. Pearson G-square test applied to identify significant skill needs. And the aim of this research is what are the specific English language needs of Iranian architecture students and graduates. Number two, what language skill do they need to develop? And the result is mind finding most important skill in order. Number one, reading comprehension, writing, speaking, listening. And the questionnaire item 1 until 6 listening, 7 until 12 speaking, 13 until 18 reading, 19 until 21 writing, 22 until 26 general study skills, edited and course evaluation section, satisfactions with syllabus content and teaching methods, preferred course durations and semester, preference on instructor, preference on textbook authorship, similar structure, plus 5 extra time on general study skills using English in workshop, learning architecture technologies. And the last one is from Chin Ling Lee, 2016, the title Principles and Practice of ESP Course Design, a case study of a University of Science and Technology, and use quantitative research. To group of 257 students, including both English major and non-English major from a University of Technology in Taiwan participate in the study. Data was collected using a learner needs analysis questionnaire, which employed a 6-point Likert scale and was adopted from Berlin 2010. And the collected data was analyzed quantitatively using the SPSS software package. The study aimed to investigate the learner perspective of their perceived needs regarding the English for Specific Purpose ESP course at a University of Technology, and the result are finding indicate that the students' perceived needs for ESP was very high, with about 18% believing the courses would be useful and helpful for their future jobs. The English skill that was needed most by the students was writing skills, and there was a significant difference in English learning interest between students with higher and lower English proficiency. And the last one is a learner needs analysis questionnaire with a 6-point Likert scale was administered to collect the data. The specific questions of the instrument are not provided in the abstract.